Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send GIF in direct messages on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Inbox, that is on the bottom right corner of your screen before Profile. Now choose the user you want to text. Then tap on Send a Message. Now tap on Smiley face icon. There you will see GIF option, tap on it. Choose the GIF you want to send. So that is how you send GIF in direct messages on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.